right. Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. TWE4XSystem.com. So welcome to our pre-week analysis. Today we are gonna be going over what is gonna happen on the week of December 7th to the 11th, 2020. This is only our pre-week, so don't forget that we are gonna be releasing tomorrow, Sunday, our weekly analysis, where we're gonna be posting more pairs. But remember, guys, a quick disclaimer is I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with rules. If you don't have rules, don't trade the market. Okay, that is very important for you to understand that. If you don't have rules, stay away from the market. You need to trade with rules. So let me go ahead, before we start, guys, let me go ahead and type here what system are we trading. So like that, because a lot, even though that I mentioned it in the introduction, people are still gonna ask, and so Irving, what kind of system is that? So let me go ahead and type it here, because to be honest, it's easier if I do it that way, right? So let me go ahead and type it here. So we are trading multiple time frame system, right? System. So let me go ahead and put our website as well. If you want to go come and check us out. So our website is www.TWE4XSystem.com. All right, there it is. So you won't have to ask any more questions. So let's go ahead and start with our first pair of the day. So today it is Saturday, December 5th, 2020. Let's go, guys. The month is moving quick. So this is what I think NCD Canadian is gonna do this week, guys. NCD Canadian still dropping. We're still seeing a bearish position, right? A momentum. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is market is still gonna push a bit up, probably one or two more candle, and then the market will continue as bearish. Once it hit the 50 Fibonacci line, boom, market will do what it does best. Market will recover, because remember, the market here is bullish. So right now we're just doing a pullback. So and then market, boom, it will continue as bullish. Remember, we are trading a pullback. So pullback, that's when you need to understand and learn how to grab 20 to 30 pips if you are trading with rules. If you are not trading with rules, just stay away from the market, otherwise the market will wipe your account. All right, fair enough. All right, so let me know in the comment below, guys. And today I wanted to kind of like show you a different slide of how thing, guys. I don't want you guys. So tomorrow is gonna be Sunday, right? So make sure that you subscribe, because tomorrow we're gonna be doing our weekly Forex outlook and review as well for the week of December 7th to the 11th. And we usually review today's video and what is coming tomorrow. We usually review it on Wednesday. On Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, that's when we do our follow-up on here on our Teamwitherving channel, and we'll review what we're doing today and what we are gonna be doing tomorrow. So make sure you do subscribe so you will not miss that particular pair. All right. So any questions so far? Because if you don't have any question, I'm gonna move forward. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next pair. So the next pair that I have here is gold. Pay attention what gold is doing, guys. Remember, gold is selling. It's not in a buy position. So what we are seeing here currently, market is doing a PV, right? This is a PV. Market is doing a pullback, going as bullish. But overall, the market is in a downtrend. I know, everybody know. So right now we're getting a signal in our system using our multiple time frame here, letting us know, Irvin, get ready, market is about to what? To drop. So we are looking for a sell position. But let me go ahead and remind you guys, market is not fully ready to be dropped yet. So we're still gonna be seeing probably 1 or 2 more or 3 more candles here before this drop happens, and bam, market will be in a sell position. This is what I think the market will perform on gold, guys. So remember, this is not signal. This is for educational purpose. So you can go back to the system and check if this meets your qualification to take that trade. If anyone is watching us from outside, guys, and you are here for the first time and you want to join our gold membership, come and do that instead of just signing up to a multiple time frame. I usually don't recommend anyone to go directly to the multiple time frame. Come and join our gold membership. In there you can learn how to trade with rule. Once you know every single step of it, then boom, you can join our multiple time frame. But in the meantime, go ahead and learn, become a pro, and then you will collect those hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, let's go to the next pair. So 2021 is gonna be amazing, guys. I'm very excited for that. We have done so much in 2020. We're looking forward to continue to do our best, guys. And another channel that I want to give a shout out is to Jay Flores. I don't know if anyone has subscribed, but just look it up on YouTube, right? Just type on YouTube, just type Jay Flores Forex, I think it is. Just look at him around. He does a different analysis using our system, so you support his channel as well, so he deserves to grow as well, right? So just kind of like take a look at his channel and learn from him as well. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. The next pair is one of my favorite pair, and I think I will be on this pair that is coming next. So I like it, and I think I will be making pips this coming week on this particular pair. So this is what I think. Remember, the market it tried to close in a bullish, but it couldn't. So now what I'm seeing here for next week, remember, the market here is selling. So this guy here was doing a PV, and look at this PV stronger. Boom, it hit that. Now everything is letting us know, Irvin, we are selling. This is what multiple time frame is letting us know. It's telling us the market is in a sell position. So what is our responsibility? Is to check our rules to see if this meet our qualification to take that trade. For me, it does. I am going to consider this one to be one of my trade for this coming week, right? So this is what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here. I'm expecting to see the market to drop, retest that 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, what do you think is going to happen? Market will do a small reversal. That is going to be a PV. So, and then market, boom, will drop back down to where it's supposed to be. So please, guys, check your news. There's a lot of news going on. Check our website. And our website, we do have our news as well updated, so you can go ahead and check it in there. And make sure you don't miss any future video. Make sure you do subscribe, and make sure you will not miss tomorrow weekly forex review that we are gonna be doing. So do not forget to subscribe, okay? Because otherwise you're gonna be missing the good amazing review that is coming tomorrow. All right, let's move forward to the next pair. Any questions so far, guys? Any question? Because I'm here live with you and I want to hear from you. Any question? Going once, going twice. All right, let's go ahead. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm very excited. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support, by the way. We are growing very rapidly. Thank you. Cannot thank you enough. But hey, we're all growing professionally together, so good job. All right, so the next step, the next pair that I'm analyzing here is USD Peso. This is what I think. Look at what USD Peso, guys. Everything is letting me know, Irvin, we are gonna be selling. Market be selling all this past week. Oh, last week market was selling heavily till yesterday, December 4, 2020. Yesterday was Friday, right? So market was still selling as yesterday. So what I think the market's still gonna do next week, guys, now market is time. It will recover back and give us a PV because USD Peso, the trend is bearish. So this is what I think the market will do this week, guys. Market will go back and give us a bullish market, coming back and retesting the 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market is going to do a continuation of the sell. So once the market give us a signal here, this is very key area in my mind. So once the market give us a signal here in this particular area, oops, I draw the wrong weird. Oops, I keep doing it again. Let me go ahead and take this off and bring the arrow. So, oh gosh, did it again. All right, there it is. All right, once the arrow come in there, I will consider to take a sell position because my job is to look for sales going in the direction of the trend. Sell, sell, sell. Right now, the market is getting ready for a PV, for a pullback. Please, guys, learn how to trade pullback, but don't stay on the trade for so long because the market, remember, it's just doing a small correction. So you need to learn how to grab 20-30 pips and walk away, because other than that, trust me, you will be blowing your account. All right, so it's there. So any questions so far, guys? Any question? Because I'm very excited. So don't forget to check, hit the bell notification on your channel so you will not miss what is coming tomorrow. So far this month of December, only one trade out of 11 trades that we took last week, I think was 11 trade, only one went against us. On the month of November, only 6 trades went against us. I think we analyzed over 45 pairs. It's a damn pretty good pairs, guys. Multiple time frame works, but the job is not to be, you need to put your trailing stop. That's what I meant to say. So it's a one thing that you have to do. But I'm very excited. Check us out in our website, Teamwitherving.com. So we were trading multiple time frame systems. So here it is. Any question, guys? Any question? Because what do you think he's gonna do? Well, Irvin has to take a break and create and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm gonna go ahead and make that video for you guys tomorrow. So for our weekly for analysis. But I do want to thank you for coming in today. God bless you. And God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you, guys. Stay safe. And remember, come back tomorrow, same time.